to building your own startup?
Oh, now that there's a microphone. First of all, welcome everybody. My name is Stephen. I'm the co-founder of NeoDigital. Thank you, Julian. How was the move out of the old world into the new world? I thought that was so how was it? Apparently, it was a huge challenge because you come out of your comfort zone. Because if you're in a big company, most of you know how to work in a big company. It is, you have a compliance team, you have legal advisors, you have in every corner of your company you have specialists. And every day you will find somebody that is doing your work. Now being a founder and start up a new company, you will eventually find out that you're not only owning the company, you're what we in Germany say the Mädchen für alles. So from buying in the software to getting toilet paper, you have to do everything. And that's been quite an experience and a challenge. And well, we're here today and I enjoy it. Thank you very much.
Wish you all the best. Good luck for the pitch. So do we have everything set up?
I hope so.
All right. So Stephen, best of luck.
If it doesn't work, it doesn't matter. Yeah. So the fund is a little bit dearranged, whatever, but that doesn't matter. The future of insurance is digital. This is why we stand here today. And apparently my career started 25 years ago here in Frankfurt with the big blue eagle, which is now on the other side of the river. It used to be close to the Taunusanlage. And at the time I was working for this company, I actually hated insurance. For the same reasons I'm here today. It was paper-based, it was manual, it took a long time, it was not customer-focused, and we didn't really focus on the products. This is what we, as a startup, changed today. NeoDigital is property and casualty insurer for private clients. Just to give you a heads up for what's coming out. To give you a short overview where we stand today, what you can see here is actually the venue we've gone through. We founded NeoDigital in January 2017. We got our first funding also in January. Since January we started to develop a detailed project plan for the company to build it up until March 2017. And what is important, very important for me, is apparently the date in April. We started our operation with a fully professional team of 23 educated, well-talented people. And we started from scratch with zero, with nothing but an idea how processes should look like in a digital world for insurance. We then prepared everything for the BaFin license because we are aiming to be regulated in the German market. Julian actually asked where we are today. We are just waiting for the license in the next 7 days. We got the head up from BaFin, so you're here actually at the birth of a new company. And about 4 weeks later, depending on the Handelsregisters or the trade register change, we're going to start in April 2018. So what are we about? We are a B2B insurer. What does this mean? We're not focusing at the end client. We won't have a direct business. We are especially focusing on multipliers, brokers in the German market that have the IT infrastructure to benefit from our digital processes. It doesn't make sense if your organization still works with paper. It doesn't make sense to work with us because we won't have any paper. It doesn't make sense if you consider digital is sending out a PDF. A PDF is not digital. For anybody in this room who still believes that we are digital, we have a PDF, no guys, that's not digital, it's not what we mean. So we are focusing on an agile basis, effective and efficient processes and a constant optimization. We focus on fast decision taking. We focus on fast turnover of client and partner requirements. Actually, Julian, again, thank you very much for your introduction, because every reason you mentioned to make or to start up one are the same reasons we started up with NeoDigital. A modular basis, multiple products in multiple sales divisions, a structure that every process part is digitized, not manual. That is the idea behind it. We transfer all the existing manual processes into a digital environment. Our communication is based on structured data, and only on structured data. We don't accept any free text. For anybody of you who knows how a claims process looked like in the past, actually your customer could write stories. We don't want stories, we just want the facts. We will offer a self-service portal and web services for our brokers and partners. Many of you know BIPO e.V., which is a standard community to exchange data in the insurance market. And last but not least, cost efficiency. We have obviously low running costs through digitization. We have an optimized claims handling with big data orientated and constant portfolio management, and we have financial stability. And what is important about claims handling and constant portfolio management is that we have one fully integrated system throughout the whole process, from end to end. That's the only way that you have constant and real-time management information that you need to run an insurance business. So here you can see actually the core of NeoDigital, what we are about. We're in the middle, and what you can see on the left-hand side is the traditional insurer. And the traditional insurer has a huge backend, has some processes, and doesn't very much focus on the front end. That's his problem going into the market. On the other hand, we have the new guys, the new startups, the new Insurtechs. They are excellent in the front end, at the point of sale. They have many great ideas. Much more ideas than anybody else. They focus a little bit on the process. They're likely not to tend to focus too much on the back end. And that's when NeoDigital comes in and kicks in. We are based around the processes. We are interfacing towards the front end, and we have a solid and stable back end. So we actually can connect these two worlds into one and be the perfect insurance factory for all those startups, intermediaries, distribution companies that are out there in the market. Now this is the complicated slide, but the second last slide. So what we are in a nutshell is NeoDigital is an insurance factory. It's much like we're a soda company. We're producing Coca-Cola today, and we're doing Fanta tomorrow and Mezzomix the next day. That's all we do. In an automated environment, very much like Industry 4.0 standard. That's what we do. We can run economies of scale, and we can run multiple insurance modules on the fly. In between, we have a digital API and process system. This is our main engine. We can launch new insurance products based on the modular system within 48 hours to the customer. We have multiple combinations. We can white label and design anything you want. Basically, the market decides what the product will look like. It can look like a standard product. It might look like just as a part of a known product. And the benefit for the market is they can get a white label product, they get automated processes, and they get their tailor-made interface. And this results for the end customer in better products, in a faster service, and a self-service portal that really is what it is, a self-service portal, not guided by anybody else. To sum up, this is who we are. We have more than 25 years experience. These are my former employers. Thank you very much, guys. In a nutshell, we have 25 employees. We have more than 300 years of experience in insurance, and we are funded by two really good companies, Coparion as the VC company, and the Schneider-Golling Group as a well-known company in the area of industry insurance and SME. That's about it. Thank you very much. Thank you.